We'll guide you through how to use Vercel AI to streamline your development workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard where you'll see an option labeled New Project on the top right. Click on it to start a new project. If you haven't connected your GitHub repository yet, you need to authorize Vercel to access it. Follow the prompts to connect your account, select the repository you want to deploy, and then click Import. Vercel will automatically detect the framework used in your project, but you can manually select it if needed. Next, configure your deployment settings. You can specify build and output settings, but Vercel usually gets it right automatically. Once you're ready, click Deploy. Vercel AI will handle the deployment process, which includes building and optimizing your project for the best performance. You'll see a live preview URL generated, where you can test your deployment. If everything looks good, you can promote it to production. Vercel AI also offers insights into your deployment, with analytics and performance monitoring, giving you a comprehensive overview of your project's performance. Check out the Analytics tab on your dashboard to see stats like page views, visitor locations, and more. If you need to make changes, simply push updates to your GitHub repository, and Vercel will automatically trigger a new build and deploy the changes. This seamless integration makes Vercel AI incredibly powerful for developers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.